So today we are going to talk about what is atom. Atom is the smallest particle of an element that retain a chemical property of that element. Atoms are extremely small and their diameter is zero point 0.1 nanometer or 1 into 10 raised to power minus 10. Atom consists of central nucleus and electron moving around the nucleus in energy levels that is called shells. There is a diagram diagram of atom. So here you can see that electrons and protons are here at the center, whereas electrons are in the shells. Okay, all of them are in the shells. Okay, they are moving at high energy and they are outside of the center. Okay, now subatomic particles. So what are subatomic particles? So subatomic particles, first is proton. Proton has a symbol of P plus. It has a plus one charge. Okay, that is the important thing you have to remember. That is a plus one charge. Relative mass is one, and it's inside the nucleus. Whereas neutron has a zero charge and zero charge is zero. Mass is one, whereas it is also in the nucleus. Whereas electron, it is different, and electron has a negative charge minus 1, but its mass is 1 divided by 1836, and its electrons are not in the nucleus, they are in the shells. So as we discussed that proton is positive charge, determines the element. Okay, neutrons no charge, it just add mass. Electron is negative charge and responsible for chemical bonding. Electrons are shared or donated by the atom. Okay, so what is nucleus? Nucleus contains proton and neutrons, and the thing is nucleus is very small. Okay, and it is very condensed. Okay, all the atomic mass is almost all of the mass is in the nucleus and it has a positive charge. Now we will discuss what is atomic number. So atomic number is the number of proton in the nucleus. Okay, just remember them. Atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus. For example, carbon has C6 and 12, so these are the proton numbers C6. Okay, every element has a unique atomic number. Okay, not two atoms have same atomic number, that's not possible. Okay, mass number. So mass number is simply the total mass. Okay, so that is proton plus neutrons. Okay, for example, carbon has a mass of 12. So it has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. So when you add 6 plus 6, that will give us 12. Okay, that's it. Finding neutrons. So we will interchange that equation. So neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Okay, atomic number is simply a proton number. For example, chlorine has a mass number of 37, whereas an atomic number of 17, or proton number is 17, whereas mass number is 37. So simply we are going to subtract that mass number from atomic number, that is 37 minus 17, and that is equal to 20. So we have 20 neutrons in chlorine 35. Sorry, 18. Sorry, that is 35. That is 35. That is 35. So that is 18. Okay. Now we are going to discuss nuclear notation. How we are going to write nuclear notation. For example, sodium has a symbol of Na, so it has a mass number of 23 and atomic number of 11. For example, carbon has a mass number of 12, whereas atomic number is 6. So we are going to write it like this. That means that it has, for example, it has 11 protons and and 11 electrons, but it has 12 neutrons. Okay, neutral number. In a neutral atom, number of protons is equal to number of neutrons. Okay, so if there are equal, so that atom is neutral. For example, carbon 6 and 12. So it has 6 proton and 6 electrons. So it is a neutral atom. Okay, so overall charge is 0. So proton is positive charge, so it has 12 plus and 12 minus, so they will cancel out each other. So now we are going to talk about an ion. Ion is a charged particles, a charged particle. Okay, when this happens, when an atom gain or loses electron. Okay, so if it loses electron, it is a positive ion. Loses electron, for example, sodium. Sodium loses one electron. Now sodium has 11 proton, whereas it loses one electron, so it has 10 remaining electrons. Whereas negative ions are those ions that gain electrons. For example, chlorine has 17 proton, but if it has minus 1 charge, that means it gain 1 electron. Minus is for the gain, plus is for the if it loses electron. Okay, so that means it has more electron than proton. Now, what is an isotope? Simple definition: isotopes are the atoms which have same element that has same number of protons but different number of neutrons. For example, C6H12. We know proton number cannot change. If proton number change, that means the element change. The second example of that isotope is 6 C6 and 14. Now you can see both have 6 protons. But due to this mass number, they have different number of protons. 12 minus 6 is 6 neutrons, and 14 minus 6 is 8 neutrons. Why do all isotopes have a similar properties? Chemical properties depend on electrons. Since isotopes have the same number of electrons, they react in the same way. Okay. Now, why we need isotopes? So, isotopes are used for carbon 14 isotope is used for radioactive dating. Okay, cobalt 660 is used for cancer treatment. Iodine 131 is used for thyroid treatment, and technetium 99M is used for medical imaging. So now we are going to talk about electronic configuration or electronic arrangement. Electrons occupy shells around the nucleus. For first 20 elements, first shell will always have 2 electrons. Okay, second shell has 8, third shell also had 8, fourth shell we will talk about when we are going to the next topics of the higher topics. Okay, for example, for 20th, that that is 2 electrons. How we can represent? There is 2 electrons in the first shell. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electron in the second shell. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electron in the third shell and 2 electron in the last shell. So you can count there, that number is 20. Okay. So now we are going to talk about carbon. Carbon has how many electrons? 6 electrons. So how we are going to do? For example, that is carbon. Carbon has 2 electrons in its first shell and 4 electrons in its second shell. Okay, same is for chlorine. I'm going to make chlorine for that. Chlorine has 2 in first, 8 in second. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 7 in third. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is valence electron? So valence electrons are the electrons in the outermost shell. They determine the chemical reaction and bonding and group number. For example, so chemical reaction, so they are used for chemical reaction for bonding and group number. Example is sodium 281, valence electron is 1. History of atomic model required, atoms are tiny solid spheres. So that's all about it. We are going to talk about next topic in the next class.